Multilogin is an all-in-one anti-detect browser built for running multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll guide you through the process of setting up multi-login profiles for managing TikTok accounts. Start by signing into your Multilogin workspace with your account credentials. Add your team members and assign them access to specific profiles so you can work together efficiently. Before you set up a new profile, make sure the Multilogin agent is running and connected. Click this button to connect the Multilogin agent to your browser. Once connected, you'll see a notification confirming it's active. Let's create a new browser profile for TikTok. Click Create to start. Give your profile a name. Enable pre-made cookies to simulate browsing history and reduce the chance of TikTok security prompts. Use tags and notes to mark each profile's purpose, especially handy when managing many accounts. Open the advanced settings to fine-tune your profile setup. Choose your preferred operating system, select the browser core, and decide between local or cloud storage. Adjust WebRTC settings to match your workflow or fingerprint requirements. Once you're all set, click Create to save your TikTok profile. Use the same steps to make as many profiles as you need, one per TikTok account. With quick AI actions, you can generate multiple TikTok-ready profiles in bulk, complete with your preferred proxies and settings. Let's launch our profile. Click Start. A new isolated browser session opens, fully masked and ready to go. You can now sign into an existing TikTok account or create a new one. Each TikTok account is safely tied to its own unique browser profile, minimizing the risk of detection or linking. Thanks for watching. TikTok is only one example. Multilogin lets you create and operate multiple accounts across countless platforms. Discover more on our website and YouTube channel.